Welcome to GK Quiz Prime Time. In this video, you'll find 100 MCQs based on the latest science and technology current affairs of 2025. Perfect for all competitive exams. Let's get started. Which IIT launched India's first Hyperloop test track? Right answer is option B, IIT Madras. What is the name of India's first electric air taxi? Correct answer is option A, Shunya. Which country recorded the world's first human death caused by H5N1 bird flu? Right answer is option B, United States. Who unveiled Grok 3, an advanced artificial intelligence chatbot? Right answer is option B, Elon Musk. In which Indian state was the 1,000-acre Swift City project launched in Sarjapur? Right answer is option B, Karnataka. Human metapneumovirus is classified under which type of virus? Right answer is option B, RNA virus. Which organization developed the Himkavach multilayer protective clothing for extreme cold conditions specifically developed to protect soldiers? Right answer is option A, DRDO. Where was India's first indigenous automated biomedical waste treatment plant installed? Right answer is option B, AIMS, New Delhi. What is Guillain-Barré syndrome classified as? Right answer is option C, neurological disorder. Which country's scientists created the world's first kangaroo embryo via IVF? Right answer is option A, Australia. India's first AI data bank for boosting innovation and security was launched by whom? Right answer is option C, Jitendra Singh. What is the name of India's first Ayurvedic diagnostic device based on pulse analysis? Right answer is option B, Nadi Tarangini. India and Kazakhstan have signed a joint venture to produce titanium slag in which Indian state? Right answer is option A, Odisha. What is the name of India's first AI lab in space launched under the MOITD mission? Right answer is option C, Take Me to Space. Where has India's first biobank for diabetes research been established? Right answer is option C, Chennai. What is the name of India's first anti pesticide protective suit for farmers? Right answer is option B, Kisan Kavach. Which company introduced BD 475-2, the most powerful and advanced dozer in India? Right answer is option B, Bharat Earth Movers Limited. Which IIT developed painless and needle free shock syringes for drug delivery? Right answer is option B, IIT Bombay. In which Indian state was the first national highway made from biobitumen inaugurated? Right answer is option A, Maharashtra. Which institution introduced Boltz 1, an open source AI model for predicting biomolecular structures? Right answer is option B, Massachusetts Institute of Technology. Satyendranath Bose Astronomical Observatory has been recently set up in which state? Right answer is option C, West Bengal. Which state is home to India's first AI university? Right answer is option C, Maharashtra. Mumps is caused by which type of infection? Right answer is option A, viral infection. ISRO launched its FEAST 2025 software at which academic institution? Right answer is option A, IIT Hyderabad. Which nation has developed the world's most powerful hydrogen powered train engine? Right answer is option C, India. What is the name of India's first government funded multimodal AI initiative? Right answer is option C, Bharat Gen. Which IIT is developing India's first quantum diamond microchip imager? Right answer is option B, IIT Bombay. Who launched the three Paramrudra supercomputers in India? Right answer is option C, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. What is the name of India's second nuclear powered ballistic missile submarine? Right answer is option C, INS Arighat. Which company recently introduced the AI project named Project Morni? Right answer is option C, Google. Where was India's first biopolymer demonstration facility inaugurated? Right answer is option B, Pune. What is the name of India's first indigenous multi-purpose vessel? Right answer is option A, Samarthak. Which ministry launched the Vishwasya blockchain technology stack? Right answer is option C, Ministry of Electronics and IT. What is the name of India's second private rocket developed by a startup Agnikul Cosmos? Right answer is option C, Agniban. What is thrombocytopenia syndrome linked to as a rare side effect? Right answer is option B, Covishield vaccine. Which Indian Institute of Technology developed issues for live location tracking? Right answer is option C, IIT Indore. Rumi 1, the world's first mobile hybrid rocket, was launched by which country? Right answer is option C, India. Which country is developing the world's first 6G communication device? Right answer is option D, Japan. What is the name of the satellite launched by Tata Advanced Systems Limited? Right answer is option A, TSAT 1A. Which country recently became the first to introduce a new meningitis vaccine? Correct answer is option B, Nigeria. Which company collaborated with Gati Shakti Vishwavidyalaya on 5G and 6G research? Correct answer is option C, Nokia. In which Indian city was Asia's first free clinical health research network facility launched? Right answer is option C, Faridabad, Haryana. Which company is set to launch India's first H125 helicopter by 2026? Right answer is option D, both B and C, Tata and Airbus. Which country is home to the world's highest astronomical observatory recently inaugurated? Correct answer is option A, Chile. The LSST camera, the world's largest digital camera, is under construction in which country? Right answer is option B, Chile. India is set to become the sixth country in the world to undertake which major ocean initiative? Right answer is option B, Deep Sea Mission. Callisto is a moon that revolves around which planet? Right answer is option C, Jupiter. What is the name of Microsoft's recently developed compact AI model? Right answer is option C, Phi 3 Mini. Who launched India's first gene therapy treatment for cancer? Correct answer is option B, Draupadi Murmu. Which company developed the Hillcoal vaccine to combat cholera? Right answer is option C, Bharat Biotech. Which institution launched North India's first human DNA bank? Right answer is option A, Banaras Hindu University. What does the term flirt refer to? Right answer is option B, COVID 19 variant. Which IIT developed India's first indigenously designed 155 smart ammunition? Right answer is option B, IIT Madras. In which country was West Nile fever first identified? Right answer is option B, Uganda. Who inaugurated India's first indigenous fast breeder reactor? Right answer is option C, Prime Minister Narendra Modi. India's largest drone pilot training institute was launched by which IIT? Right answer is option A, IIT Guwahati. India approved a rupees 19,000 crore deal to procure how many BrahMos missiles for the Navy? Right answer is option D, 200. ZSI, Zoological Survey of India, named a new species of head-shield sea slug after which Indian dignitary? Right answer is option A, Draupadi Murmu. Which IIT created a 3D printed dummy ballot unit for elections? Right answer is option A, IIT Guwahati. What is the name of India's first generative AI platform? Right answer is option D, Bharat GPT. Victoria Shi, a digital spokesperson for Foreign Ministry, was introduced by which country? Correct answer is option B, Ukraine. Which Indian company received the country's first ISCC Plus certification? Right answer is option D, Reliance Industries. Where will North India's first government homeopathy college be set up? Right answer is option A, Jammu and Kashmir. Which nation set a record using its fusion reactor, also known as artificial sun? Right answer is option B, South Korea. What fuel is used along with liquid oxygen in ISRO's semi cryogenic engine? Correct answer is option A, kerosene. What is the name of India's first BFSI specific large language model? Correct answer is option D, CSAME model. HT3386 is a new wheat seed variety developed by which institute? Correct answer is option B, Indian Agricultural Research Institute. Which university started human trials for a Nipah virus vaccine? Right answer is option C, Oxford University. Which organization has recently launched its first quantum computing chip named Majorana 1? Right answer is option B, Microsoft. Which company launched the AI model Magma, a foundation model designed for multimodal agents? Right answer is option C, Microsoft. Which country became the first to perform a pig kidney transplant in a human? Right answer is option A, United States of America. Which country launched the Angara A5 rocket successfully? Right answer is option D, Russia. In March 2025, where did ISRO chairman V. Narayanan inaugurate the Sri Ramakrishnan Thermal Research Center? Correct answer is option C, IIT Madras. Union Minister Jyotiraditya Scindia inaugurated a 5G lab developed by C. Dot at which university? Right answer is option A, Guwahati University, Assam. Which Indian state introduced the first AI generated school teacher robot? Right answer is option A, Kerala. Which metro unveiled India's first indigenously developed driverless metro train? Right answer is option A, Bengaluru Metro Rail. Who launched the AI cloud platform named Vayu in March 2025? Right answer is option A, Tata Communications. Which company introduced the AI model Search GPT? Right answer is option A, OpenAI. Which country developed the world's first high speed carbon fiber train? Right answer is option D, China. Which organization has indigenously developed the technology to manufacture paracetamol in India? Right answer is option B, CSIR, Council of Scientific and Industrial Research. In which district of Uttar Pradesh was the foundation stone of India's first biopolymer plant laid? Right answer is option A, Lakhimpur Kheri. Which state launched the AI based chronic eye screening program Nayanamritam 2.0? Right answer is option D, Kerala. Who unveiled the quantum chip Ocelot to speed up quantum computer development? Right answer is option A, Amazon Web Services. In which city is Google's largest campus named Ananta located? Right answer is option C, Bengaluru. Which IIT has launched Asia's largest shallow wave basin research facility? Right answer is option A, IIT Madras. Where was the third AI Action Summit 2025 co chaired by PM Modi inaugurated? Right answer is option A, Paris, France. Which industry is planning to build the world's largest data center in Jamnagar, Gujarat? Right answer is option C, Reliance Industries. Which country launched the world's fastest high speed train CR450 prototype? Correct answer is option D, China. How much has the Indian government allocated for the India AI mission in March 2025? Right answer is option A, rupees 10,371 crore. Which IIT has successfully extracted silicon carbide from artificial lunar soil? Right answer is option A, IIT Madras. Which country sent the sixth nuclear reactor for the Kudankulam project in Tamil Nadu? Right answer is option B, Russia. Which year has been designated by the UN as the year of quantum science, technology, peace, and trust? Right answer is option A, 2025. Which country launched the world's first 100 MW compressed air energy storage plant Nengchu 1? Right answer is option C, China. Which company unveiled the advanced compact AI model Gemma 3 in March 2025? Right answer is option A, Google. In which Indian state will the Namrup 4 fertilizer plant be set up? Right answer is option B, Assam. Which scheme was launched in March 2025 to promote innovation and scientific research in India? Right answer is option A, Vigyan Dhara Yojana. In which city is India's first battery energy storage system scheduled for launch in March 2025? Right answer is option A, Kilokri, South Delhi. In which state is India's first private semiconductor manufacturing facility being developed? Right answer is option C, Andhra Pradesh. Which country introduced the AI model DeepSeek R1 surpassing ChatGPT? Right answer is option A, China. When is India expected to establish the Maitri 2 research station in Antarctica? Right answer is option C, 2029. Stay updated, stay ahead. Subscribe for more current affairs and competitive exam prep.